Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show or hide search option in home screen on your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen and lock screen, and just here turn on the button again to show search on home screen. If you turn on this button, you will have this search button here in the home screen. See here, if you click on it and a search option will open. Okay, if you want to hide this search from the home screen, again go to the same settings, then go to home screen and lock screen, and just to turn off this button show search on home screen. Just to turn off this show search on home screen, and now this search button will not be available on home screen. See the changes. So in this way you can easily show or hide search button on home screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.